Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog. Oftentimes when we do PowerView shades, I'll get a call saying my shade isn't working, and usually my answer is change the batteries. But in this case we're going to do something a little different, and I'll explain why. On this shade we actually have motorized the window covering by adding a power cable to it, so we don't need to change batteries at all. But on the remote you'll notice that when we hit the button it is working, but now I hit stop, nothing happens at all, and that's because the battery in the unit has died. So what we do is we just open here, we lift out, take the pack. You notice on the back you've got this little switch and it says open and close, so we just turn to the side, falls right out, and now we have these 2032 batteries, and we're going to change them placing the new ones back in. So those are in, and now we're going to place the cover back on and turn it. We'll test. So right now we'll hit all or one, put it back on the right channel, and hit down and stop, and it works perfectly. So in the end, it's batteries are in here too. Sometimes people say, these have batteries in them? And that's actually a common question. The homeowner is laughing right now because that's what she asked me. But changing this battery will make the difference. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog.
Aww.